guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're closing out the week 4 of December and opening up the first week of January. So let's start. As usual, we're starting with our expenses. So for this week we had expenses of 20 for gifts. For dine out we had 29.50 plus 15, 45 euros. For groceries 39.74. For spending €22.60. Beauty was 26 euros, buffer 50, and health 45. So let's calculate in total how much that was. That was 248 euros and 34 cents. Great. So the weekly budget setup. Let's do the actual amounts for week 4. So the paycheck 4 was actually 450. Rollover was 40 euros, and extra we had 288. So it was indeed 778 euros of income. So for the actual amount for cash envelopes, let's check our rollover. So groceries has a rollover of 5. So the actual amount was 40. Spending had 30. Allocated, it has now 5, 6, 7 as rollover. So that was 23. And dine out has a rollover of, let's see, 25 euros. Great, 25. So that was actually 70 minus 25, 45. So buffer has now 50, and I'll keep it as a 50. I feel like that's a good amount to have. So I will allocate this money into a different fund. I'm gonna take out the coins we have gathered throughout the week, and these will be the first coins we're adding to our little coin jar. So this is just, I think, 28 cents. So we're adding that, and we'll see how fast we manage to fill this up. But I won't be counting this, only I will count it at the end to see how much we saved. So for cash envelopes, that's all. And I think we have a rollover of 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37. And I think I'll just put all of this into the rollover envelope, just to kind of allocate it all. I think it's in this binder. Yes, 37. So today is the 31st of December plus 37, and that's the total in here. So 27, no, not 27, 37. So here in short-term sinking funds, all amounts stay the same. Oh wait, I didn't finish this one. So 40 plus 23 plus 45, 108. So 778 minus 108 is 670. Here everything stayed the same. So it was 514 plus 37 was 551. 670 minus 551, 119. And here also everything stayed the same. So we're not updating any amounts in here. Great. So that was the last time we used my little A4 sheets for budget setup, and now we will move on to setting up the budget, but already in our new journal for the year. So let me quickly go through January. So in my previous video, I think that came out yesterday, I said that I will update you on my overview for the month. So this is kind of my budgeted amounts. I expect a total income of 1,708 euros for now. But we will, of course, update the actual amounts at the end of the month. And I do expect of that 1,708, 560 to go into cash envelopes, 802 to go into short-term sinking funds, 299 to long-term sinking funds, and 47 to savings and miscellaneous. So yes, let's start with setting up the weekly budget. So this is going to be from the 2nd of January until Oh my god, I don't know. So 2 plus 9 until the 9th. Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. 8th, I think. The 8th of January. Okay, let me know if that's not correct. So our paycheck number 1 of the year and of the month is going to be 450, and then extra income we have 8 euros extra. This is from coins that I exchanged, so in total that's 458 euros we're working with. So for cash envelopes, groceries is going to get 45. Spending, I am decreasing it to 25 and not 30, because I don't think I need 30 a week, but we will see how that goes. I'm gonna try 25 throughout the month of January, and we'll see how that goes. Dine out is going to get 70 and buffer nothing. So in total, that's 140. So it will leave us with 318. So sinking funds, let's do sinking funds first. Beauty is going to get 30, birthdays 5, clothing 5, fun 10, and gifts is nothing. Health is going to get 30, holidays 5, rollover 20, and travel 126. So for long-term sinking funds, babies 1, car 1, emergency 10, home and pets each a 1, retirement a 10. Savings, we're allocating 50. We're doing our little 50 envelope challenge. Anything that doesn't get allocated here is just going into rollover, and then we're going to use that money once again. Technology is getting a 1 and weddings a 1. So in total for short-term sinking funds, for all sinking funds, it should be, let's check, 307. And then savings and miscellaneous, charity is getting a 1, Christmas, Etsy and tattoos, piercings, nothing, 30 for 30, a 5, and subscriptions a 5. So in total 11. So let's check. That's 307. Indeed, 0 and 0 here. Great. So this is the budget for the next week. I'm very excited to start using my little budgeting journal to track everything. I'm very excited. I wanted to make my own budgeting journal for a while now, so I'm glad to finally see it in my hands. But yes, that was all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel. We have fun over here. I'll be back tomorrow with a cash stuffing of this paycheck. It's going to be the first time we stuff money in 2023, and also I'm going to introduce the 50 envelope challenge. It's the first time we're going to stuff it. I'm very excited to see how that goes, so tune back in tomorrow to see all of that go down. But in the meanwhile, I wish you a very wonderful day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.